It's currently January 1st, 2025, as you're watching this. And this is the start of Only Safe Lifestyle again. Honestly, 2024 was a great year. I may not have met every goal that I set, but I made a lot of progress towards the things that I want to achieve in life. And that's what matters the most.
Relationships are a death to self.
That's something I'm learning a little bit more too. Like going out to somebody else, helping them build up their brand.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. I mean, it was really good.
Things. I think that really helped sell some of those like key moments of the movie. I think that was actually really cool. I don't usually see that too much in student films, so I think that was a good higher level thing to see for a video project.
If you don't know who I am, my name is Omizev, and I do lifestyle vlogs. I also do tutorials, many other things, but I'm gonna try to limit it this year to just those two things. So this video, I really wanna just showcase my preparation and planning for 2025, going through like gym stuff, food I'm gonna be eating, what I'm gonna be working out. You guys will see a little bit of that later, of me just planning my workouts for the week. I don't really know what I'm gonna be eating yet or when that time schedule is gonna fit, but we'll be doing that as well. And then I also just wanna like showcase highlights of 2024. Like vlogs will come out throughout the year and they're gonna be like really old, but I want them to still come out anyways because I just wanna get back in the groove of doing YouTube and all that kind of stuff. Because as you can see, I've been absent for, I want to say like 3 years. Like it's been 3 years since I've been like consistently on YouTube. So I want to jump back into that. One of the first like key things in 2025 that we want to achieve is consistency for like the gym, eating, water, all the little things, posting, editing. I'm going to start out with like 1 vlog a week and then I want to work it way up to, I don't know, I want to say 5 a week, but that sounds like a lot. And how I edit takes a longer time, so I don't want to overwhelm myself. I don't want to be like, oh, I already have 5 videos posted on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and then I'm burnt out for the next week and I don't have anything to post. It's like, okay, he posted for 1 week and then he's done. So I'd rather stretch him out, 1 video a week, and then we'll see where we can go from there. Obviously, I'm doing something very uncomfortable right now, but I really wanted to get in a scene where the weather is going crazy. A thing I did want to talk about is just making yourself comfortable with things that are uncomfortable. And I feel like this is one of those examples. It's morning time, it's snowing outside. No one wants to do this, but it's what I'm doing. It's what I want to practice doing. And it adds value to creativity, just doing things on a whim because it looks nice. Like, it's snowing, let's go outside. It looks nice. I don't even know what the shot looks like. I can't see all the way down there, but it's just getting colder and colder right now, windier. My socks are getting wet. And I'm here. Making content. It's all about being creative. And that's what I want to explore a lot more in 2025, just being creative, being cinematic, all those kinds of things. Nah, because this is crazy. Like, bro, it's cold, but it's beautiful out here.
Relationships are a death to self. Like, once you become one with that person, like, it's not about you anymore. You know what I mean? Like, you have to sacrifice yourself for them. Sacrificing even your pride, sometimes your well-being, just to make sure that they're good.
Yeah.
Because that other person should be doing the same for you too. But even if they're not, what love tells us is that we're supposed to love our wives the way Christ loved the church. You feel me? And Christ died for the church while he prosecuted them and crucified them. So I learned recently, like, I was really selfish because some of the things and even the love I was giving was an expectation of something coming back. And when it wasn't reciprocated or when things weren't going the way I wanted them to go, it's like I kind of felt myself withdrawing, you feel me?
Yeah.
And as a leader, you can't do that. Like, you have to be the rock at all times, even when you don't feel like it.
All right, guys, this is our setup for the interrogation scene. I got my empty folder there. Camera 1, that's gonna be camera 2. Don't know where it's going yet. The mic, the light, second light. And I'll insert a clip of what the scene looks like whenever I do have it. But this is the setup.
I feel a lot better about our video one.
That's why I feel like they need to do more staged things first.
You just need to go big, you know?
That too, I think a lot of people are afraid to like go big. Like even Jordan was hesitant on ours. He was like, that might be a little bit too much. And I'm like, no dude,
Like
it's...
our first project we did sucked.
Which one? The By Any Means?
Yeah, like it sucked as in it was so fucking stressful.
Yeah, because we limited to campus.
But we made the most out of the campus. Like,
You still gotta like learn how to put like a functioning website together. Same. It's like there's multiple ways you can go about it. Some, I guess you'd say better than others.
Well look, if
You
the
gotta
three of
learn which
us,
one is gonna be your way.
if the three of us like just figure out how to do a website, we're straight at that point. Because I take photos and video. That's a thing that they can get. It would be like, we gotta meet with them, get the vision, get them like to see the progress.
That's something I'm learning a little bit more too. Like going out to somebody else, helping them build up their brand.
And they pay big money for that.
This isn't your vision, it's somebody else's. So you gotta get in there, get yourself in their shoes so you can see how it's gonna thrive. Which is cool, I like that. That's exactly what I kinda like. That's the challenge.
You got all the stuff you need to do graphic design?
Oh, sort of, yeah.
What else do you need?
I want a desk.
You don't need that.
I don't have the knack for that. I know. That's what I've been, but it helps. It really does help. And this is strong computer. Like, you're really just gonna want a computer, not a laptop. But like after a while, if I sit there, let's say I did something for them. They wanted like a poster of a couple cartoon characters, a vector image, the outlines of characters, and this big poster of all these characters with the Raising Cane's in the middle. That's probably going to slow my computer down by the end of it.
True. Yeah.
Once I start to get finished with it, just moving my screen around the whole poster will start to slow.
So we need to land
It's just like
one high-paying deal that can get us better computers. Because I also need a computer. Because my thing's the same way with videos. If I try to edit, the fan sounds like a jet. Another thing is my weight. I'm at like 172, I think the scale said. That was a while back, but I haven't worked out or eaten much since, so that's probably what it's at. In the first gym video back, we will, go through what my measurements are, all those kinds of things, and showcase that progress on their own, like gym videos. Those will be all on their own. But yeah, this year I really want to hit like 210. I know that sounds like, it depends on who you are, but it does sound like a lot, but I am like 6'2", so 210 on me is just gonna look like a stocky-ish dude. Like, I was at like almost 190 and I just started to look good. So I want to hit like 210 and then maybe I'll bulk down, keep it around 200. And that's what I want to be at. All right, guys. So we are doing our calendar. I already got this thing filled up with stuff that's from last year. And I want to clear out a lot of it. Delete. We'll start from a Monday, forearm, bicep, tricep, 9 to about 10:30. Repeat every week. And then in the notes, we'll probably fill this in more later, but we're gonna do 3 workouts, tricep, 4 for the bicep, and then like 2 for the forearm. And then we'll fill those in with what we wanna do on those particular days. So in the last 3 months, I went from 179 to 174. So I'm probably around there now. My lowest was 168. But that's it for now. I'm gonna go hop over there and edit. I'll see you guys later. I want to really use YouTube to progress my videography and cinematography. So I'll be just going crazy with like certain vlogs kind of things, just experimenting until I really get it down to what I want it to be. As of right now, it's gonna be all over the place because I don't have a consistent flow yet. So it's gonna be all over the place. I'm not trying to make a movie every single time, but I wanna at least have it unified. So I'll start with this.